Can you say that again? Those two
Yeah.
sentences? Sorry, my brain started recognizing that I have codependency, and then I just was numbed for a second. I'm like, wait a minute, something's happening. It sparked a lot for me. I don't think I actually knew what codependent was. It never clicked before. But the way that you said that, I was just like, wait a minute. That's codependent. I recognize that behavior. So, yeah, and then my brain couldn't even process. I was like, wait, what did you say again? I'd recognized it as people-pleasing and trying to fix and perfection, but I had never heard it said in a way that it was codependent. And then I was just like, 100% it is. That they need to be okay so that I'll be okay. So I'm always trying to fix everyone and make sure they're happy, and putting all of my feelings and inner children as far down as possible because there's not time for them. Notice that your mind is spinning because I'm thinking of the next 6 months and who's involved and whose feelings, and the issue of feeling like I've let people down and that they'll be upset at me, and somehow the situation, it's theirs and I'm carrying it, but I still feel like somehow I'm at fault or it's my responsibility. And so, because I'm in quite a 360 life on its head with my version of the void, but right now I'm in the dump truck load before the void is visible, right? All the shit. I'm at least willing to stick with it and go through it instead of staying where I'm comfortable and familiar.
I want to do a little reflection on the codependent footage that I've shared. Those were huge moments for me of what energy and blind spots I'd been living in. I paid attention to all the relationships I had been in. I had been changing and shifting as I was learning more about myself, and the resistance I was getting that they didn't want me to change because they were used to me being a certain way. Now that I know these things about myself, what am I going to do with them? To sit and integrate and feel and learn to feel safe feeling. In the communities I have, the friends I have, international and online, these meetings and spaces we share together. I couldn't have done all that I've done in my evolution and with my feelings without these people, without the reflection of their lives and their situations, and love for each other, just straight love. I love my friends. You guys know who you are. I love you so much. And so what I do now, pay attention to how I feel, pay attention if my energy's going out, pay attention if my pulse is racing, if I'm irritated, if I'm angry, if I'm frustrated at others. It's actually a signal for me, what am I doing? What am I doing in that moment that is dishonoring myself and setting myself aside? That is what I've been practicing, and that's what I'm getting stronger in, and that's what I'm still tested from time to time. I feel good with it right now. Everybody that has been in my known world, I have had the courage to stand my ground and set my new boundaries, and the cards fall where they fall. Some friends have not accepted the new boundaries and are no longer my friends, and that's okay. If me being me doesn't work for them, then we aren't friends. I'm okay with that, because friends love me and accept me, not if I do X, Y, and Z. Honoring myself, recognizing codependent behavior, setting boundaries, and allowing others to do whatever they do. What they do is on them. That's their choice, that's them. It's not up to me. It's not up to me to make sure they're all happy.